Hello students of Standard 10th. Welcome to DAV Moyle Public School. I am your English teacher Jagruti Meshra. Let's begin our today's online session of English. Our today's topic is from your Footprint Without Feet, Midnight Visitor. The Midnight Visitor is written by Robert Arthur. Let us see its introduction. The story is about a secret agent Ossible who has spent an evening with a writer named Fowler, who had expected that as he would be meeting a secret agent, he would be looking into a lot of adventure. But instead, he rather gets bored when he meets Ossible, as the things that happened were exactly the opposite of what he had imagined. How Ossible gets reads of his unexpected guest proves his expertise as a secret agent. Now let us study in detail the story. Dear students, in this story you will come across many difficult words. Here are their meanings. Musty means having a stale, mouldy or damp smell. Corridor, a long passage in a building from which doors leads into rooms. Gloomy, dark or poorly lit, especially so as to appear depressing or frightening. Scarcely, only just, almost not. Accent, a distinctive way of pronouncing a language, especially one associated with a particular country, area or social class. Passably, just well enough, tolerably well. Envision, imagine as a future possibility, visualize. Sloppy, carelessly dressed. Prosaic, ordinary. Chuckled, laughed quietly without opening his mouth. Disillusioned, disappointed in someone or something that one discovers to be less good than one had believed. Glanced, take a brief or hurried look. Stiffy, in a manner that is not relaxed or friendly. Commanding, having a position of authority. Gesture, a movement of part of body, especially a hand or the head, to express an idea or meaning. Evilly, morally wrong or bad. Now let us see in detail the story. Fowler, who is a writer, felt that Ossible did not look like a secret agent at all. He was following Ossible to his room through a very smelly and a bit scary corridor. His room was on the top floor, which was the sixth floor of the hotel. Ossible was a very fat man and his accent was American. Although he had been living in Paris for the last 20 years and could speak a bit of French and German. Then Ossible tells Fowler that although he was told that he was going to meet a secret agent, a spy agent who had been dealing with danger, crime scenes and drugs, but Fowler was disappointed. He had to spend the evening in a music hall with an old, poorly dressed, extremely fat man who used traditional methods for making the information travel rather than beauties delivering to him. He then exclaimed that Fowler was bored with him. As soon as he opened the door of his room, Ossible gave way to Fowler. He entered the room, closed the door and turned on the light. Then Ossible told Fowler that he had been thinking all wrong and the best part was yet to come, as they would soon be coming across a paper for which a lot of men and women have risked their lives, and that report was very important. After saying this, Ossible closed the door behind him and turned on the light. As soon as the light was turned on, Fowler experienced his first thrill of visiting a secret agent as he saw a man with an automatic pistol standing across the room. Ossibel recognized the man as Max and asked him what he was doing in his room. When he was supposed to be in Berlin, Max was thin, a bit short, and his face looked a bit like that of a fox. He seemed harmless, except the gun he was holding. Max said that he wanted the report about the missiles for which Ossibel had been waiting, as he thought that he would be able to keep it more safely. This is said to create humor, as he just wanted the reports for his own belief. Ossibel sat down on the chair and started speaking that he would definitely have a fight with the management of the hotel, as this was the second time that someone has climbed up from the balcony of the room. Then Fowler looked towards the window and saw that it was an ordinary window and that it was pretty much dark outside. Max said that he came through the master key and did not know about the balcony. Had he known about his work, would have become much easier. Students, we will continue with the story again in our next session. Hope you have understood the story till here. Let us quickly recapitulate what we studied today. The story is about a witty secret agent named Ossibel. He was with a writer named Fowler throughout the evening, as Fowler was interested in spending time with the secret agent. But he spent time with Ossibel. He realized that he is exactly the opposite of what he had imagined, and that he was a bore. Ossibel then told Fowler that he had been thinking wrong and that soon he would be looking at a report that would change the country's future. Then Ossibel takes Fowler to his room, and when they entered the room, a guy with a gun named Max was standing in the room. He asked them to be comfortable until the reports about the missiles arrived in 30 minutes, as he was there to seal the reports. This was the first adventure out of many that Fowler has expected when he had thought of the meeting a secret agent. Dear students, based on today's topic, here is a short assignment for you. Have a nice day. Thank you.